Support organic, support chemical-free. Let's just take a break and look closely before we eat. A little more focus on our food choices can bring quality in our lives. So, time to ask ourselves the important questions. Are we consuming the right food? Is it healthy? Is it even fresh? Is it providing quality to our life? Isn't organic better? Well, we consume different kinds of items throughout the day. Some of them are healthy for us, while many are harmful. We need to identify between healthy and unhealthy food. We need to be careful about what we inject in our body. Organic food is the body fuel that boosts up our energy level, strengthens our immune system, make us healthy, strong and active, and increases our lifespan as well. Organic food is free from synthetic and harmful fertilizers, thus they not just taste good but fresh but also fills up our life with positivity and focused mind. So make the right choices and fill your body with the right food fuel.